So today we have got a DOMS instrumental drawing geometry box. So let's see what we got inside. So the box looks quite great and beautiful. First of all, we got a plastic paper. Then you can see a tiny pencil. And what is this for? I think this is like something looks big or some stuff like that. And it looks like smaller. Over here we got a key to fix the compass like this. Also in the compass we can see a tiny pen, I guess. Oh no, it's something else. It is like another types of this compass. We can use it like that. This is like very sharp. Then over here a eraser, then a sharpener over here, sharpener, then we can see a ruler, and then what do you call this? I don't even know the name, but this is like maybe a scale. Sorry, I don't know. Then here we can see a 90-degree square, then 45-degree square, and that's it. Nothing else I see. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.